In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Trailing Stop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to set it up, and how it helps protect profits while limiting downside risk. First, log into Plus500, either on the web platform or the mobile app. Make sure your connection is stable so your settings save correctly. If you're new to the feature, it can be helpful to practice in a demo environment before applying it to a real money trade. Next, choose the asset you want to trade. This could be a stock, an index, a currency pair, a commodity, whatever fits your strategy. Take a quick look at recent volatility on the chart because the size of your trailing stop should make sense for how much the price typically moves. Highly volatile assets usually need a wider trail. Steadier ones can often handle a tighter trail. Now click Buy or Sell to open the trade panel, depending on the direction you want to trade. This panel is where you set your order size, review the spread, and configure risk controls before placing the trade. In the trade panel, find the Stop Loss or Close at Loss section. On mobile, you may need to expand an options area to see it. This is where you define how the platform will automatically close the position if the market moves against you. Tick the trailing stop option. If you don't see it for a particular instrument, it may be unavailable for that asset or order type. When enabled, a trailing stop moves your stop level in your favor as the price moves, but it never moves in the opposite direction. It locks in gains by maintaining a set distance from the current price. Enter the trail amount. This is the distance, in pips or points, between the current price and your stop. For example, if you buy at 1,000 with a 50-point trail, your initial stop is 950. If the price rises to 1,020, the stop ratchets up to 970. If the price then falls, the stop stays at 970 and will trigger if the market drops through that level. Choose an amount that isn't so tight it gets hit by normal noise, but not so wide that it fails to manage risk. Finally, review your order size, the trail amount, and any other settings, then confirm and place the trade. Once it's live, Plus500 will automatically adjust your trailing stop as the price moves in your favor. Remember, in fast or gapping markets, the actual closeout price can differ from your stop level. Used thoughtfully, a trailing stop can be a powerful way to let winners run while keeping risk in check.